Hey everyone, Happy New Year's. Welcome to 2021. Just a few things I wanted to tell you. If you don't know who I am, I'm Robin Kay. I'm a Chalk Couture independent designer. And for the month of January, these three Kickstart transfers, they're $14.99 each, but you can earn them for free. If you go to my Chalk site, chalkcouture.com, Robin K. You can earn these if you spend $75 US, 105 Canadian. You can put one in your cart for free. If you spend 100 US, 135 Canadians, you can get 2 transfers for free. And if you spend 125 US, 175 Canadian, you can put all 3 of them in your cart for free. Now, if you're a Club Couture member, the special for this month, you can, if you spend 150 US, 200 Canadian, you can not only get all 3 transfers, but you can get one reclaimed surface. And we have the burlap. Board is, natural burlap board is 18 by 24, natural burlap board for 12 by 18. We have the reclaimed diagonal board, which is a 12 by 18. The reclaimed metal tray is a 9 by 12. And the reclaimed drawer front is 6 inches by 18 inches. Just stumbling over my words. That is for the month of January. These transfers here are only available January 1st through January 31st. We have a new catalog coming out in February. I will get all the details on that on Friday. Winter warm-up. And I'm going to be doing one of those transfers. There are a lot of Valentine's type transfers. But I'm going to be doing Kindly Refrain from Whining. And I'm going to be doing, I'm going to do it on the space and board on one side in bright white. And I'm going to do on the other side, Believe in Yourself. This is one of our transfers that's going to be retiring. February 1st, I can talk today, February 1st, so if you want it, you might want to grab it, because once it's gone, it's gone. And let's get started. Okay, it's done. Believe in You on one side, Refrain from Whining. Made this for my daughter. She asked me to make the Refrain from Whining to put on her desk. If you wanted, you could actually chalk on this or put a ribbon or something on it. Because it is wood, it will be permanent. But this is a chalkboard. You can spray it, wipe it down, put something else on it later. These are our board and base. And I really like it. This side and then this side. You can put that on our desk for kids coming in the office, and put the Believe in Yourself will face her. But thank you for watching. Make sure you check out my links below. Check out the specials. Go to my website, and please comment, subscribe channel, and I want to thank you so much for watching. And be sure to watch for more Valentine's videos and some of the creative kickstarts I'm going to be doing this week. Have a great day. Thank you.